To convert WebP images to PNG images is quite easy and simple. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, the process is the same. So here you can see I have four WebP images and I want to convert them into PNG. For that, just open up any browser and you need to go to this URL. That is iloveconverting.com/image tools/webp to PNG. I will also paste this link in the description. Once you are here, just go and click to upload or drag the files. Unlimited images and no file size limit. So just go and click on this. Select all the images and just go and click on open. It is that simple. It is now converting. Wait for a while. It is all converted now. You can download converted images one by one, or you can click on download all. And here you can see converted zip is here. All the PNG images you can see PNG image, PNG image. You can just go and open up any. Here you are. It's now PNG. All the other images are PNG as well. So this is the best tool. So because there is no limit, there is no size limit, there is no number of uploads limit, and the second best thing, it is all private. Even if you upload your own personal photos, it will not upload that to the server because all the things happen within your own browser. So hope this video has helped you to convert WebP images to PNG in seconds. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.